Now we have a quick review, distance formula with the continuation of that video, video 1. Distance formula, we are given two points A and B with coordinate x, y and z. These points are in space, so we consider x, y and z axis. Coordinate of point B are x2, y2, z2, z2, x2, y2 and z2. Now distance between, as you did in class 10th, distance between two points is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. In class 10th, when you consider the point in rectangular Cartesian system. Now when you take the point on the space, so third coordinate will be added, z2 minus z1 whole square also. So questions are quite similar and simple also. Exercise 12.2. First is find the distance between the points 2, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 1 and 3. So let we call x1, y1, z1, this point A, and let B, this is called x2, y2, z2. Then the distance between AB, as you did in class 10th, x2 minus x1, minus 2 whole square, y2 minus y1, 1 minus minus means plus 1 whole square, z2 minus z1, 3 minus 3 whole square. So when you calculate, this will be 16, this is 4, this is 0, so this will be under root 20, it is 4 into 5, so answer is 2 root 5 after factorization. The second question is, show that point minus 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 7, 0, minus 1 are collinear. Let we call the first point given A and second point B, third point C. Then I calculate the distance. Points are collinear. You are solving the points are collinear by so many methods. One is by checking the distances. Second is by proving the area of triangle equal to 0 in class 10th. But here in this exercise we have to prove this by distance formula. So I will calculate AB first. Distance AB, 1 plus 2 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, plus 3 minus 5 whole square. When I calculate, this will be under root 14. Then BC, 7 minus 1 whole square, 0 minus 2 whole square, minus 1 minus 3 whole square. So when I this calculate again, it will be under root 56. It is under root 56. So under root 56 is 4 into 14 means 2 root 14. Then I calculate CA. CA will be CA 7 minus 2 times minus plus होगा plus 2 whole square, 0 minus 3 whole square, minus 1 minus 5 whole square. So when I calculate this, this will be under root of 126. So this is 9 into 14, 3 root 14. So now if I will check the sum of AB plus BC is equal to CA. So clearly AB plus BC under root 14 plus 2 under root 14 is equal to 3 under root 14. So when the sum of the two sides means what I have calculated AB plus BC, AB plus BC, AB plus BC is equal to AC. So this is only possible when ABC are collinear. Then the question number 4 is, find the set of equation of all points which are equidistant from the points 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, minus 1. So I have to find a condition. In 10th standard we have done this type of question in 2-dimensional. Now the given points are A 1, 2, 3, B 3, 2, minus 1. Point P suppose be a point such that PA is equal to PB. P is point such that PA is equal to PB. These are equal. PA is equal to PB. So I will calculate the distance PA. First, what is PA? PA, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus z minus whole square root, pb x minus 3 whole square, y minus 2 whole square, z plus 1 whole square. When I calculate this, under root also, then taking square on both sides, and on calculation you will find that maximum terms are cancelled: x square with x square, y square with y square, z square with z square, then 4 with 4, then 9 with 9. Maximum terms are cancelled. You have only left this x, z, and x and z terms. You are only left this one, and this one. So this will be minus 2x, let me see, minus 2x, minus 4x हो गया, minus 2x, and minus, if you see here, minus 4x, minus 6x, इधर जाके होगा ये माइनस, प्लस 4x, minus 8z. 4x minus 8z is equal to 0 on calculation. So 4x minus 8z is 0. So x minus 2z is equal to 0, which is the required equation. Question number 5 appears to be simple, but when you solve you will find that a lot of calculation work in that. So question is simple. Find the equation of set of points P, sum of whose distance from point A and B is equal to 10. Means you have to calculate, you are given a point P, then A and B are given, point A and B are given, you are given PA plus PB distance is equal to 10. Let me check the solution. PA plus PB is given 10. Coordinate of P I have supposed x, y and z. Coordinate of A are 4, 0, 0. Coordinate of B are minus 4, 0 and 0. So what is PA? X minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square. This is distance PA square root. Similarly PB is x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus z minus 0 whole square. So on calculation, this is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus y square plus z square, x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square, square root is equal to 10. Now how you will solve this type of equation? This is important. Now for this type of equation, when you have square root and with plus or minus sign on one side, then you have to bring transpose one of the square root to the right side. It means it will be 10 minus, I have taken this side to right side, 10 minus this, then squaring both sides. So whenever you square, it will be complete square. I am taking the square on both sides, square of this and square of this. So it means इसका square to square root से square and square root are cancel, कट गया, x minus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. इसका स्क्वायर जो है वो होल स्क्वायर की फॉर्म में खुलेगा, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. सो दिस इज ए स्क्वायर 10 स्क्वायर 100 प्लस बी स्क्वायर मीन्स इस सारे का स्क्वायर, स्क्वायर से स्क्वायर रूट कैंसिल हो गया, माइनस 2 इंटू 10 इंटू दिस वन. So further rest is you can also expand the whole square of x minus 4. After this you will find that sum of the terms will be cancelled and you are having minus 16x is equal to 100 minus 20 and this एक square root ये वाला रह जाएगा 2ab वाला. Now again you have to simplify this, कॉमन लेके कैंसिल करके फिर एक बार फिर स्क्वायर करना है. To remove this square root, you have to make the स्क्वेयरिंग 2 बार स्क्वेयरिंग होनी है व्हेन एवर यू आर हैविंग स्क्वेयर रूट में 2 आपके पास अगर हैं प्लस या माइनस साइन के साथ एक ही साइड में एक्सप्रेशंस, देन यू हैव टू टेक द फर्स्ट इज यू हैव टू टेक द this expression, one expression to the right hand side, squaring both side, simplify, and then again take the square root on both sides. So it will be 4x plus 25 इसका होल स्क्वायर और इसका होल स्क्वायर 5 का 25 और इस स्क्वायर रूट का स्क्वायर, इससे स्क्वायर अब कैंसिल हो जाएगा. यू आर हैविंग द स्क्वायर after expanding this, and also this side 4x plus 25 whole square, expand this, and then calculate your required condition that you have to find the equation of set of points. So this is the equation of set of points, the sum of whose distance from fixed point P is 10. Then some of the results which you have kept in mind